everybody, this is Chef Maria Bell, and today I am going to show you something different. Many times in my cooking classes, many years ago, I would show people how to make something. I would teach them how to make it and then eat it. Well, this time, we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna eat it and then we're gonna learn how to make it. So here it is. Surprise! Classic meatloaf. Meatloaf. Classic meatloaf. Taking a knife. Go closer. A little bit. Cut a piece. Just wait. I'm gonna cut a small piece. And here it is. I'm gonna put a little bit of juice on it. And I'm going to eat it. Cheers! Delicious! Delicious! So, now I'm gonna put it here because, oh yeah, I'm gonna finish eating it soon. And I am going to put it here for a while. I'm gonna take a bowl or a Tupperware and 2 pounds of ground beef, 85-15. Some people would use also 90-10. This is 85-15. It is going to be a delicious meatloaf. Put it in the bowl. Okay. I'm going to rinse my hands a little bit because I'm going to touch some bread. I know the bread is going to go on the top of the ground beef. So we take a slice of bread and we squeeze the water out because we had it in the water to get soft. We put it on the top of the ground beef. 2 of them. 2 slices of homemade bread. If you don't bake bread, you have 2 choices. To buy it from me or to buy a different bread. So here is the second slice. Right here. Then we have 2 eggs. Okay. Second. Oh, that's a strong egg. My, I'm going to the aluminum sink. And I broke this egg. 2 eggs. 2 slices of homemade bread or any bread. Or maybe a cup of crumbs, breadcrumbs. Going to the onion. A medium, small to medium onion, chopped up. Goes here. 1.5 teaspoon salt. It all depends how you can take it, the salt. So here I have the salt. How I take it is 1.5 teaspoon. Half cup of milk. I will show you in a minute. 1 cup of paprika, sweet paprika. Okay, I'll show you in a minute, don't go away. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. right here. And we have 2 teaspoons of oregano, dry oregano. And parsley. Yes, we have something green. And this green comes from my pot, my parsley pot. I grow it myself. This is how it looks. Okay? I'm mixing it, all of it, carefully, thoroughly. And I'll show you again. Oh, it blends really, really nice. The milk is to give it a flavor. The breadcrumbs is to absorb excess water from the ground beef and the rest of the ingredients. The onion is to give it that robust flavor. I love onions. I hope you love onions too. Mix it well, every bit of it. Now some people add cheese, any kind of cheese. Don't ask me what cheese, because they can put any cheese, as long as it's cheese. So here it is. It looks like a meatball, a big giant meatball. Well, I'm gonna put it back, and I am going to do something now. I'm going to take parchment paper, see, put it on the top of my pan, and put this mixture inside. Oh my, another meatloaf. My expertise is not just meatloaf. As you know me from years, I can do anything. And here is the meatloaf. Now, what do we do next? I will show you what we do next. I'm gonna put this in the sink, and we're going to take the ketchup and put it all over on the top. All over, look. I'll show you this too. Shape it up, shape it up, shape it up. Shape it up, shape it up, shape it up. Oh my. Look at this. I'm gonna take my gloves off. I am done with this. It was quick. I'm telling you, do this recipe and you're going to fall in love with my meatloaf. I'm gonna pull up a little bit the parchment paper. No washing dishes, pots and pans. No washing. Here is the parchment paper. Here is the meatloaf. You take the edges, put them on the top. It looks like this. Look, you just made in not even 10 minutes a meatloaf. Chef Maria's meatloaf. So here's the oven. Put it in the oven. 350, 1 hour. That's all. And then you can eat, like me. Now, it comes with green beans, of course, and mashed potatoes, of course. And I have some green beans fresh to do now, or maybe later, for dinner. And my name is Maria Bell, Chef Maria Bell, as most of people know me. I've been a chef all my life, and as people say, once a chef, always a chef. You remember that? Once of anything, always anything. Once a barber, always a barber. I will put this on YouTube so you can copy the recipe. And I wish you were here to taste this delicious meatloaf. Very delicious. Candy. It's like candy. So this is Chef Maria Bell again. My venture is Chef Maria's meal prep. Once a week, on Thursday, I make a lot of food. And then people pick it up, or I deliver. And you can email me, chefmariabell@gmail.com, if you want some. Like I said, every Thursday, once a week, I can make a lot of food. So, you can also call me, 502-821-0275. I am here, local, and I go to farmers markets. So let's see who's here. Looks delicious, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have another piece. And remember, it is delicious. Look how compact. Look how compact it is. It doesn't break. It's not mushy. It's not separated. Look at this. Look at this. Just like a gigantic meatball. Very good. My number is 502-821-0275. Of course, when I put this on YouTube and you order and you are in Wisconsin, I cannot ship you, or maybe I can. I don't know. The drones are doing a wonderful job nowadays. They start delivering other foods as well. I was just reading the other day that one particular fast food, it's not that they're poor, it's not that they don't have money, but they have audience, and the audience is demanding their food everywhere, maybe 2 or 3 times a day. So they sent the first robot deliveries. Yeah, they sent food with delivering food with robots in Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, I saw that with my own eyes on I don't know, YouTube, Facebook, somewhere. So maybe I could do the same thing. It was nice being with you today. Like I said, this is Chef Maria Bell. And my lighting is not very good because I don't know what happened to my spotlights, but I'll find them. I'm gonna go now, enjoy. First I'm gonna make the beans, the green beans. I make the green beans too fresh. I don't use a can. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna hold the phone to finish because it's okay. I have started a Greek restaurant years ago in 2000, and I am still active with food, and a lot of people like it, and I don't seem to be able to quit. I'm not a quitter, you know? I'm not a quitter. I'm so sorry to tell you. Anyway, so today I was just saying that I don't use a can for the green beans. I make my own. In the summer they're gonna come fresh, but right now I can buy them from different farmers markets or department store supermarkets that I trust. And I just put a little olive oil on the bottom of the pan and a little onion chopped up, of course, and then I put the beans. And I wash them first, snap them if they have the edges untrimmed, and then I cover it, turn the heat down to medium, and let it cook. Put a little salt also, and let it cook, and they become like steamed. I never like the totally uncooked bean. I don't like. Asparagus uncooked, so. But beans, they have to have a little bit of softness. So in about, I'll say 20 minutes, the beans are ready. Then you make the mashed potatoes. and my meatloaf, and you have dinner. And if you don't want to do that yourself, call me, 502-821-0275. I make meals every Thursday, and I am Chef Maria's Meal Prep. That's how my venture is called. And I don't have a website yet, so you can go and order, but soon. Okay? So, it was nice talking to you. I ate the meatloaf. I'm sorry you're not here to eat some, but you can order and I'll bring you some. Okay? This is Chef Maria Bell again, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.